Welcome to Bali International Spa Academy, your training paradise in Bali. This is our face sculpting training, a transformative course designed to enhance natural beauty through expert technique and gentle precision. You'll learn how to lift facial contours, reduce puffiness, and improve skin radiance using advanced massage methods, lymphatic drainage, and Gua Sha tools, all rooted in both modern science and timeless wellness traditions. From your very first day, you'll receive hands-on training with our experienced tutors, gaining confidence as you develop techniques you can use immediately in your spa, practice, or wellness business. This course is open to everyone, no prior experience required. Whether you're starting fresh or upskilling as a professional, you'll leave with internationally recognized certification and the tools to elevate your service offerings. Are you ready to invest in your future and become part of the BICEC community? Click the link in our bio to enroll or learn more about upcoming course dates.